Hi guys. Okay, this is the final iPhone Goodnotes shortcut video I'm going to make for you. Today what I'm going to show you how to do is, well, previously I showed you how to create a shortcut on your phone so that it always opens your Goodnotes planner. Because Goodnotes, when you have the app, it'll always open whatever you last were using. But a lot of times, like for me personally, I like to just go right into my planner, you know, if I need to reference something and I just wanted to create a quick shortcut that would open my planner always. Okay. But today I'm going to show you how to create a menu of your favorite things, because maybe you have more than one thing. Maybe you have a specific notebook you want to open, or a document, or, you know, in addition to your planner. And what the menu is going to look like. So you can see this is all of these on here are menus I've created on my phone because I like to have, I like it clean. I don't want to have a million apps. Yes, I know you can offload them, and I do offload many, many apps, but I really like to just have it clean. So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into shortcuts. Okay. All right. Now you're going to click the plus button. All right. And you're going to want to name it. So I'm going to write my notes because it's going to be more than one thing. Okay. Now you're going to want to search for actions, and you're going to want to search menu, and you're going to want to do choose from menu. Okay. And when you click choose from menu, it'll say choose from menu with prompt. So you can give it a prompt. So let's see. What do we want to call it? We'll just say Goodnotes. You can say whatever you want to say. There's no right or wrong answer. Now it pre-populates 1 and 2. Okay, so we're going to change that. We're just going to delete it, and and also it's always in all lowercase, so I don't know why. So now we're going to add, I'm going to have it open. I'm going to do my planner, and I'm going to do my work notes. Work notes. And I'm also going to do, I'm going to add a new item. I'm going to do menus, because I'm always needing to reference that quickly. People are always asking me what we're eating. Okay, so now you can see I have 3 things. I have my planner, my work notes, and menus. And as I changed these 3, you can see these 3 things also changed. Okay, so now it says planner, work notes, and menus. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to search actions. And really, all you need is open app 3 times. So I'm going to click open app, open app, open app. Okay, so I'm going to, now you see you've got your menu up here, you have planner, work notes, menus, and menu, and then you have open app, open app, open app. Okay, so you're going to take your finger and you're going to move each open app so that it sits underneath. So it, so it says planner, open app, work notes, open app, menus, open app. Okay, so that's the second step. So now we're going to focus on the planner. So we want to open Goodnotes. Where's Goodnotes? Goodnotes. Actually, let's just open Goodnotes for all of them. Just do this. Just trust me. We're just going to type Goodnotes and add it to all of them because we're in Goodnotes. That's what we want. Okay. So now it says planner, open Goodnotes, work notes, open Goodnotes, menus, open Goodnotes. So now if we left it like this, it would just literally open Goodnotes. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to, again, go into search actions, but you want to bring this all the way up. And now you're going to see it's going to give you a list of all the apps that have shortcut capabilities. Where did it go? And you're going to find Goodnotes. So tap on Goodnotes. Now the top, just don't even worry about what the top is. You're going to want to go to other. So if, oh geez, hang on, I got something on my phone. I'm going to choose, because we're in planner, I'm going to choose my planner. So now you can see it says I tapped my planner and it came down at the bottom. So we're going to take this and we're going to put this underneath. So it says planner, open Goodnotes, and then my planner. Now we're going to do the same thing for my work notes. So I'm going to scroll up, find Goodnotes. I'm going to find my work notes here, tap on it, and I'm going to take my work notes and move it underneath. Now I'm going to find my menus. So I'm going to scroll up, go to Goodnotes, and menu and grocery. And I'm going to take that and move it. So now you can see everything is in order. All right. So basically this is basically what we did in the previous video. It's just we're combining it so that it's one nice handy menu. Now, again, in case you didn't see that video, one thing that is important is if you're in Goodnotes here and you're looking and you can't find your document, okay, you can't find whatever it is that you wanted to put in your menu, go into Goodnotes on your phone and open up the things that you want so that they're already there. Because once they're there and like, I don't know, put front and center, they will populate here. You might need to give it a minute. Okay, so that's just a little troubleshooting tip for you. All right, so anyway, so now we have everything and menu, everything is exactly the way we want it to look. And I'm going to click stop shortcut, let me just back that up. I'm going to search actions and I'm going to click stop shortcut. All right. So this is exactly what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to go slow. Well, it's hard. So you can see it. Okay. Now you want to test it. So let's test it. So now you can hear my dogs are playing. So now we click the play button and it says Goodnotes on the top. That's the title we gave it. Planner, work notes, menus. So let's open my menus. Let's see. So you can see it open Goodnotes. Oh, and it opened my menus. Boom. Very nice. Okay. So now we know it works. So now you got to add it to your home screen. So we're going to tap the drop down up by the title. So it says my notes and then it's drop down. We're going to add to home screen. Now you can add it however you want with a symbol and a color. I'm going to give it an image. So I'm just going to give it this little notebook image. I already have it. I'm already using it for something else. So I'm going to click choose. So now you can see it says my notes and then, you have the image and I'm going to click add. And so then it added it. Oh, and I'm going to add it here. Okay. So now when I tap on it, you can see it comes up. So let's open my planner. And there you go. Now let's open my work notes. Cool. So anyway, it's just a nice, it's a nice handy tool to kind of, so you can quickly access your documents like really quickly. And one thing to note is once you have these in your menu like I do, here, let me show you. So I'm going to completely close out of everything. Once you have them in your menu, it'll just pull it in. It always just pulls it in. So, it's so handy. So anyway, I hope that this made your life easier and your day brighter. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.